Welcome back to another video where we're going to be reviewing my apartment, and we're also going to be looking at this girl. I'm pretty sure, I'm not sure, the owner hasn't really made it confirmed yet, but yeah, by the way, so guys, he just gave me rent, so I'm finally able to go into my apartment now. So let's go. So we're in. Yeah, and we all be looking around. So this is gonna be a quick tour, and let's get into it. So we're here now, and look at. So we got these, and we also got this nice color. White and black, my favorite color. So, and you're also going to see that I made it white and black here, obviously. And then yeah, so I got the way people for some reason like to hang up license plates. And yeah, and this is my setup for this game. Of course, I don't have this. Like my setup here, that's in real life. I'm not gonna do like that. And you're here to sit when you've done a video, but unlike me, I upload like 50 times a day. And we're going to be going. Oh wait guys, I edited in that laugh. So you go in here and then you see my bed. Let's make this bad boy. And so that's me. And now we're going into the bathroom. I'm pretty shy. Let's see started here. To brush my teeth. Now we're going to be going to maybe the school, I think, to start a roleplay. Or else I need to be at like, hey, what was that for? So guys, we're getting the turn right now. I'm going to make this cool thing so we get into it. So guys, we're in this room. So this is the front office. And yeah, it's pretty standard. Pretty as you'd expect. Lunch hall, or you could say the cafeteria. So we're going to be going around and pretty sure here, and then we're going to be going into history. What it would look like if you're if the teacher's in class, and then like, so really just what you'd expect, like the Romans, English, the best place if you're in primary school, let's be honest. Oh, guys, I remember this guy made something in the palace. ICT. Not really a huge fan of that. I don't even know what ICT is.
Computers.
Okay, friend. So sorry, that just appreciate helps me with everything. Yeah, so detention, I suppose. Oh, the main hall. Science. Take a glass of water and get started. Oh, I can make them. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Getting a call on my phone.